seeing someone come in pain and then walk out in a better mindset and being able to walk straight out?
Probably my coworkers and the customers, because they're very nice.
Oh, it's definitely helping people, especially when you can see them progress, you know, and like with the piezoid therapy, when you can see somebody come in the first time and then they tell you this, like, no, I'm not hurting as bad. And, you know, that's a good feeling.
Oh, it has to be the doctor's performance. I wouldn't work anywhere for somebody that I didn't believe in, and it definitely is my coworkers. Love my girls.